Hi guys, welcome back again to my vlog. I know it's been a while I haven't been vlogging. Life is just so busy. So today me and James decided to take a break with our busy life with works and other stuff. So we are going to Poland in Krakow, but we will be spending most of our time in Zakopane, and our last day will be on the city center of Krakow. So we are here in Shannon Airport. We just parked our car and yeah, we'll head that way. Anyways, thank you so much for always watching my vlog and for following me as well on my Facebook page. Thank you very much. And so without a further ado, let's go. Arrived now here in Bali's Krakow airport, so we are gonna figure it out to find transport going to Zakopane because the bus is only until 8:30, which we couldn't make it. It still take time to go to Krakow city center area, and that will take around roughly 25 or 30 minutes. Waiting for our bus going to Zakopane. Look at this bus stop here. It has a Wi-Fi and it has this charger as well. How cool.
Good, what's up?
Yeah. Yes, I'm listening.
Our phone is usually
Yeah, this is it. It's a shelter house. Finally, we found the apartment. It's really gorgeous. It's so big. It's well equipped. And there is a dishwasher and fridge, and you can even cook, and they have some utensils. But my favorite part is the balcony. The bed is facing in the balcony where you can see the mountains with snow. They really had a massive hot tub, which I really love. Excuse for the mess. And yeah, I would really highly recommend this place to stay in Zakopane. It's quiet and it's not really far from the bus stop. So, and also in the corner there is some convenience store, so it's really handy. So if you wanted to have a privacy and I would really recommend this place. And I will put the link below on how you're gonna book this place. It's really affordable. I guess it's only less than €100 per night compared to hotels. And of course, it's also unique. Good morning, guys. We arrived last night very late because the bus actually going to Zakopane did not turn up, so we ended up getting a taxi very late. And it's quite funny because when we arrive here it's very dark and we're struggling finding the apartment, and yeah, we have to walk in the dark, and there's no light in the road, so we have to use our phones. I don't know, it's just, I think Finally, we made it, and yeah, the room is just so big and it's really beautiful and it's just so gorgeous. But the one thing that I really like in this room is the view, like our balcony, and it has a big glass door here in our balcony. Good morning.
Good morning.
Say it in Polish.
Good morning.